name is Will Martin, and I live here in Aldie, Virginia. And about 17 years ago, we bought this house, and we were recently considering how can we change where we live, our surroundings. And so we decided to, first we were looking at flooring. And so we went to this place to look at floors, and right next door was a USA cabinet store. And so we walked in there and started getting sort of ideas about kitchen, and we met a designer, Gina. And she walked us around, gave us many different ideas about kitchens to help us in the process. And then we began to basically set her up so that she could give us some sort of design ideas. So she came to the house, we went through our kitchen, she did the measurements, and then came back to us with the different ideas about how to do our kitchen. And we settled on what we see here. It was, in terms of the process, it was seamless. I don't think we encountered many problems. And being that we started our process during the COVID-19 quarantine, every person that came into the house either wore a mask or asked if they would like to, if they could take their mask off. So we never worried about any kind of danger in that sense. But in terms of the process, it was, you know, as you with any kind of remodeling, you deal with the dust and you deal with just kind of that, but it was not too much. They made sure that they put up things to protect from getting the dust too far in the house. But it was very, very easy process. And in terms of our kitchen, we couldn't be more happy. It is everything we wanted. We wanted more seating. We got 8-person seating island. We got storage, we got beautiful cabinets, and throughout, I think most of our friends have just been in awe of the design and what we have done. And I cannot recommend USA Cabinet Store any higher than you can give any other higher recommendation. It has truly been a wonderful experience and a wonderful finished product that we have. I would not definitely change a thing about it. And I would hopefully in the future, any person, I would recommend my friends, my family, to definitely go to USA Cabinet Stores, and I'm sure you will come out very happy with what you get. And we will be looking forward to getting a bathroom next.